Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your Windows 11 product license key. First, we will use the command prompt. Click on the Start button, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the window appears, type this command. Press Enter. If your computer has a license key stored in the system, it will appear on the screen right away. If nothing appears or it shows blank, we will try PowerShell. Click Start again, type PowerShell, right-click Windows PowerShell, and choose Run as Administrator. Then enter this command. Press Enter. If a key is embedded in your system, it will show here. If you still do not see a key, it may be stored in the registry. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. In the box, type regedit and press Enter. When the registry editor opens, carefully follow this path. H key, local, machine, then open software. From the list, go to Microsoft. Then click on Windows NT, after that click Current Version, and then Software Protection Platform. Look for an entry called Backup Product Key Default. Double-click it to see if a product key is saved there. If all of these steps show no key, your device likely uses a digital license. This means your Windows license is linked to your Microsoft account or your device hardware, and no manual key is needed. When you reinstall Windows and sign in, it will activate automatically. Thanks for watching.